How do I remove a hex screw without a hex screwdriver?
Welcome everyone! Today, we're tackling a common problem: how to remove a hex screw without a hex screwdriver. It might sound tricky, but with a few tools that you likely have around the house, we'll manage to get it done.
What's a hex screw?
First, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. A hex screw is a type of screw with a hexagonal-shaped socket in the head. Hex screws are often used in machinery and appliances, and the appropriate tool to use is a hex screwdriver or an Allen wrench. But what do you do if you don't have one on hand?
Alternative tools for removing hex screws.
Thankfully, there are a few alternatives you can try using. 1. Flathead screwdriver. If the hex socket isn't too tight or small, a flathead screwdriver might do the trick. Just find one that fits snugly into the socket and turn it counterclockwise to unscrew. 2. Pliers. You can try to grip the outer edges of the hex screw with pliers and turn counterclockwise. Be careful, though, as this can potentially damage the screw or the surface around it. 3. DIY hex key. If you have a metal rod or thick wire, you can file the end into a hex shape to create a makeshift hex key.
Using the alternative tools.
Flathead screwdriver. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the hex socket. Apply firm downward pressure and try to turn the screw counterclockwise. If the screw starts turning, continue applying pressure and turning until the screw is fully removed. Pliers. Open the pliers wide enough to grip the outer edges of the screw. Squeeze the handles tightly and turn counterclockwise. Continue turning until the screw is fully removed. Remember to proceed with caution to avoid damage. DIY hex key. File down the end of your metal rod or wire to fit the hex socket. Insert your DIY hex key into the socket and turn counterclockwise. Keep turning until the screw is fully removed. So, there you have it. Those are a few simple ways you can remove a hex screw without a hex screwdriver. Always remember to take your time and proceed with caution to avoid damaging your tools, the screw, or the surrounding material. I hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, happy D-ing!